Back at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a real estate website. And I'm going to talk about the software that I use. So here's my website. It's just basically a simple website. Nothing fancy, simple. This is when I was in the Navy. And just look at me now. A little bit about me in the middle. Here's some properties. And then go to the next page. There's the top. Some people I work with, some people that I learn from, some people that taught me the game of real estate, people I still advise with, Robert Cleef, And P.S. by the way, check out his podcast, Lifetime Cash Flow Through Real Estate Investing. Check out his podcast if you haven't done that yet. So if you go to the bottom, I got pictures. You can schedule a call with me. Next page, contact page. Pretty simple, standard. And that's about it for my website. Now, the software I use is called Pageable. Basically, with Pageable, you can create any type of website you want. From landing pages, sales letters, you can do presentations within the software. You can create a blog. You can create a website with a blog. You can do almost anything. The best part about it is, you can even have membership sites. But the best part about it is, you can, you have 3 packages. Here's like over 300 website templates, along with, the best part about this is you have a shopping cart that comes along with the software with the website. And you have 3 packages. And another thing I like, you can try it today for $1. So you have a starter plan, enhanced plan, and a professional plan. Today, if you get started today, you pay $1 free for the next 14. $1 today. And after the 14 days, it'll be $47 for the starter plan. For the enhanced plan, it'll be $197, and for the professional plan, it'll be $297. But you can test it out. And the difference between the plans is the websites. The starter plan, you get 1 website. Enhanced plan, you get 5 websites. Professional plan, you get 10 websites. That's the biggest difference. And this is a plan that I actually have. With the enhanced plan, you get the presentation software. You can create membership sites, and you can schedule appointments. That's the biggest difference. So basically, the difference between the enhanced plan and the professional plan is you get 5 more websites. That's the biggest difference, And see, with the starter plan, you don't get no webinar software, no membership site, and no appointment system. Yeah, and you don't get none of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? But it's only $47 a month. So, hey, But the good news is you can test it out for $1 for 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, you can cancel if you don't like it. So I'll put the link below, and you can click on the link and get started and test it out, and tell me what you think about it. So when I use this software, it took me they got training and customer service, everything you need to know to get started. And the best part about it, again, is you can outsource it. So if you have maybe you might have employees or you want to outsource, there's videos that can teach your team and also teach you. If you want to do it by yourself, teach you how to do it. There's videos in the back office that teach you basically everything you can do with the software. You know what I'm saying? And this took me, my website took me, 2 weeks. Oh, this shit. Is a basic website. You know what I'm saying? Now, there's another website that I have. I have a couple websites. But I'll show you another website that I have. Now, this is a dating website that I have. Now, this website is kind of complicated. I got a video that's in the background here. Might not look like a video in the background, but it is. I got, banners here. I got articles here. I got testimonials here. I got pictures that I took with celebrities like Les Brown, and pictures of people I met at events over the years. I got YouTube videos for my channel. I got my book here on Amazon, and this is for a membership site. So this website is this took me some time. This took me about probably like a month to really put together. But you don't have to do a website like this. Your website can be simple. Your website don't have to be like mine. And the best part about it is you don't have to have a website that's all complicated and everything, and you can make changes as you go. You can add things as you go. You don't have to do everything in one day. You know what I'm saying? So this is my website. This is software I use. And just like I said, I'll put the link in the bottom of the video so you can get started today. Any questions, any concerns, just let me know. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.